Hi guys, it's the D-Day. I'm moving out officially. I woke up like 30 minutes ago. I'm boiling water for bathing before I start my day, and it's going to be a long day, guys. Today, I have this check that I have to go to the bank and cash it. Being on a weekend, so I have to go early before the banks close. After that, I have an order for my business. I have to go look for the fabrics and kind of make the bonnet, add it to the rest, then ship them out. Then I have to come back. I'm at my mom's place, so after doing all that, I have to go to my place that I can arrange everything, then call the transport guy to transport me to my new place. It's going to be such a long day, but I can't wait. Yeah, let me just take you along with me, so stay tuned. Right now, I'm just going to bathe, then start off my day by going to the bank. I don't want to be late. I'm really maximizing on the time because today is my off day and it's the only day of the week that I'm free to do this stuff. So I have to get everything done by today. Everything, like literally everything. Though I'll have my sister to help me during my move out. Like, she'll be there to help me arrange my house, put my things in order. So yeah, I'll see you. Oh, acha nitoe hai yangu isibaki. Ati? Sikuiba, si niliwaambianga. Jamani Daisy surely. Unaona hapo katikati? Hapo katikati ndio cups zinaekwa. Nitaziosha maji zikikaa. Hiyo tray iwekwe hapa chini. Oops, sorry. Changi katoi. Yeah, wamagi.